Alright, so now we have transformations. I'm going to do number 18 and number 20. So it says for each square root function below, state the equation, domain, and the range. So here, it's kind of hard to see, but my vertex here is 0, 5. So to write my equation, it's going to be y equals, your x is just 0, so it's the square root of x, and you're going to go up 5. So just like that. And then your domain is left to right. So the farthest to the left it goes is 0, and it's included, so I'm going to put a bracket. And then to infinity, I have a parentheses. And then your range is bottom to top, so the lowest it goes is 5. All the way to infinity, it includes 5. And then my parentheses, my infinity always has a parentheses. Now if you put this and flip it, it is wrong. So make sure you always do bottom to top. That is incorrect. Alright, number 20. Let's look at number 20. So here's my vertex. It looks like it's at -3, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. So I'm going to write y equals square root of x plus 3 and then minus 4. My domain, the farthest to the left is -3, so it's going to be from -3 to infinity. Bracket because it includes -3. Parentheses because you can never get to infinity. And then my range is going to be from bottom to top. So it's going to be from -infinity, parentheses, all the way to -4, close the bracket. And that's it. Let's look at the next section. It says write the equation of each new graph. Let me zoom out just a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to do number 22. It says the function g of x equals the square root of x minus 4 is translated 3 units to the right and 5 units down. I always like doing a little sketch just to help me draw this. So square root of x minus 4 mean it went down 4, so that's this dot here. And it says it's going 3 units to the right. So now that point is here. And then I'm going to go 5 units down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my new vertex. My vertex is 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, -9. So my equation is going to be y equals the square root of x minus 3, because it's opposite, minus 9 on the outside. Alright, let's look at number 23. This one says that you have x plus 7 to the 1/2 power is reflected over both the x and the y-axis. So remember, I can rewrite this like this, x plus 7 square root. Now if it's reflected over the x and the y-axis, remember x-axis means that the negative goes in front, y-axis, now you can't see this, let me scoot it up. Y-axis means the negative goes on the inside of the radical. Oops, sorry, should be positive. So that this one, y-axis on the negative on the inside, x-axis the negatives on the outside. So this one has both. So I'm going to put a negative on the outside, and then here I'm going to put a negative on the inside, but I have to make sure I put this x plus 7 in parentheses. Now you could distribute this if you wanted to, the negative on the inside. So just know if you distribute it, you can put it in disguise, is what I tell my kids. So it just looks like that. And then here's this negative. And that's it. Alright, last one is number 25. This one says the parent function, so you have y equals x to the 1/2 power, which I'm going to rewrite as the square root of x. It's stretched vertically, so vertical stretch, C-A-L. by 3 and 2 units to the right. So if it's a vertical stretch by 3, it's going to go on the outside. And then if it's 2 units to the right, it's going to be opposite. So it's going to look like it goes to the left. So it'll be x minus 2. That's it.